Dear learners, today on 23rd April 2024, we are celebrating World Book and Copyright Day. This day is celebrated to promote awareness on the benefits of reading books, publishing, and copyright. The World Book and Copyright Day is organized as an annual event by UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. It was launched on 23rd April 1995. Ever since on 23rd April every year, World Book and Copyright Day is organized to mark the death anniversaries of two of the world's greatest writers, William Shakespeare and prominent Spanish chronicler Inca Garcilaso de la Vega, as well as the birth of several other prominent authors. The theme of the World Book and Copyright Day 2024 is Read Your Way. The theme emphasizes on importance of choices and enjoyment in fostering a love for reading. Every year, one of the city in the world is selected as the World Book Capital. The World Book Capital for 2024 is Strasbourg in France, and last year it was Accra, Ghana in 2023. Other previous World Book Capitals are listed here. You can go through it. The term associated with the World Book and Copyright Day is a copyright. A copyright is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the exclusive right to copy and distribute a creative work in a literary, artistic, educational, or musical form for a limited time to protect the original expression of an idea in the form of a creative work, but not the idea itself. The copyright in India is granted by the Copyright Act 1957 as amended time to time, applicable from 21st January 1958. Most recent amendment in this law is 2012. The works created prior to 21st January 1958 in India was governed by the Indian Copyright Act 1914, which was based on the Imperial Copyright Act of 1911 that was passed in United Kingdom. Other related laws to the copyright law are, as India is a member of most of the important international conventions governing the areas of copyright law. These laws are the One Convention of 1886 as modified at Paris in 1971, the Universal Copyright Convention of 1951, the Rome Convention of 1961, the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights that is called TRIPS. Now India is a member on the WIPO Copyright Treaty, WCT, and the WIPO Performances and Phonograms Treaty, WPPT, entered the treaty in 2013. Duration of copyright protection under the Copyright Act 1957 are as follows. It depends upon the types of work. If it is a artistic works, musical works, dramatic works, or literary works, then the duration of copyright is a lifetime of the author plus 60 years from the beginning of the calendar year next following the year in which the author dies. And in case the work is anonymous and pseudonymous works, as it is cinematograph films, sound records, government work, public undertakings, international agencies, or photographs. In that case, duration of the copyright is until 60 years from the beginning of the calendar years next following the year in which the work is first published. Now, uh, remedies available against copyright infringement in India are as follows. There are three types of remedies: administrative remedies, civil remedies, and criminal remedies. Under the administrative remedies, custom authorities has the right to detain the infringing goods. Under the category of civil remedies, injunctions, damages, account of profits can be applied against the infringement, and uh, criminal remedies available in the case of infringement are imprisonment for 6 months to 3 years and with a fine of 50,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees on the first conviction, and imprisonment of 1 year to 3 years and with fine 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakhs rupees on the subsequent conventions. I hope all of you are now aware with the copyright related issues in India. Thank you very much. I wish you a happy World Book and Copyright Day. Thanks once more.